Franco Sports Be washing bay no friend no 0500 680 783 Bra Kwame da command circle station Obenadum Choba no friend no 0244 094 793
Akekafo ne mele yase konwa ebeso mo no edi ameje so eye wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hoteden ene ehunsuo mpone me ne me wafa ase ba
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
ye da ye hu sesi ye ba de kasebo ne kire makasa ebeto aso edi asomo
DL News.
Yamamo akwaba afitu mirika ne hia yen e Facebook no so a na ye DLFM 106.9 na yemfa kasebo no enchiremu emfa ensomum na so ye no e na hwe o my Ghana yen akona badie so mekire eye ekwan so kwese adwuma kwede nkata bonten se yen kan kire Ghana for sem afi mu efitro pepombo sumi mu ebepem aye ho mobosumi no mekire from January ebesi dwon bosumi no mu no nkwanhia asi omanga na mu no ye kan ni nyina bomu a eye empem son ahamienu ene aduwatwe enkron 7289 ene ye road accident a esisi wo manyim na mu nipa maako apem ahanum ene 9 1504 ene ye nipa mu nyina dawu ewo first quarter no emu na nka na kiremu a National Road Safety Authority for empenifo kiremu sem wonom ene Police Motor Traffic and Transport Department etwanetia eka ne se MTTD4 na mo den krata we etimi aba bonten la report ba ye no kiremu a yanka nkyere Ghana fo nyina se ne enipa maako empim du mienu ahamiensa ena afei eye aduonum nan 12354 eye kasa hodo afi we mu nkuto enya nkwanhye wo manima ne nyina da etimi asasei a wono mu kirem sei enipa babro empem wotwe ene ahamiensa na mu nyina da eprepre mo pepra no emu edin ye pa mekire 8300 nipa mo ya pepra e wa afi we nkwanhye mu na nka ne kirem sei enipa hodo som tete ahye na nam kwan ho keke enipa ne ndi bia no de bicycle no nam kwan ho keke okọ ne ba bia emu maako apem ahamiensa ene baako no mu nyina da cars aba wonom e wa fi we mu nipa maako 1301 ene ye pedestrians a cars aba wonom e wo kwanchen na eye National Safety Road eye Authority for no se yen kan kire Ghana for say afu mu nkwanhia no editwam efiri sese de ye kɔ no ha adwenye pam na nkuntabu aba bonten ne nie omu kiremu a oma ya tim sese na anya hwe kura mpo no da biada anya hwe kura ne da biada inipa maako nwotwe enya nkwanhia ewo manyim ebiew lole nkwanhia esi afi we mu no omu kiremu a da biada omamu nyina no nkwanhia esi no eye aduanan eye 40 road crashes enesi omanyim da biada afen so data so miensa omu kiremu a anya hwe mpo no dakru bia nipa maako aduanansia na omu pra ewo lole nkwanhia mekire 46 people no bosum anasa afi da biada no munya nkwanhia ewo manyim eno achi nso asan maako aduosia nkron ena dakru biada munya nkwanhia wo manyim mekire 69 vehicles na da biada wonom ehukaka adwam nkwanhia mu kire mi se niam we ye course no benefo anso na bedu baabi no man nkwanhia bekum ni pa nyina firi manyim a wei ene nkra hodo a efiri aso ehwe o man Ghana ekwan so kwese so a ewie enumere yede mu kire mu esomonte Sikapa ya se dakro enipa nwotwe na ewu e wo lolo nkwanhiem dakro bia nipa nwotwe na ewu lolo nkwanhiem eno achi nso ka sa nya nkwanhie wa dakro bia no eye ka sa no eye maako 69 dakro bia every day 69 ene ka sa nya nkwanhie wo manyim ena 46 eye nimpa de bia de mu pra wo lolo nkwanhiem ena 40 eye nkwanhie sisi da bia e wo manyim ti de asie no Ghana ni yemfentu ye hofo yenko yanim
Yantua Kasiabone so na Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference eden sama betuja chemu se omanyi mu niema bi wo honom ne ya e wo se yetimi hwe ne yehu ni se ye beye ne ye se ne beye a bibia entimi ento oman ne sansa wo hwe basabasa ye call so e wa Blekuma North e ya bato omoto wo honom sanso ana Chief Justice abai etwe ne san ya na chese niema na ekoso no ehu hia kra sanse obo omokokoso man hwe ye oman no ye kabi na menka biamamu no e ya de omobebre na sekra na ye statement omudi betu ja eye bna dakita on saboso me ne de to so aduonu mienu awon fimpi mienu ni aduonu numnumu most reverend Matthew Kwesi Jamfi ono na ye president e de Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference esane ye ana di tuja na ochemu se niama bi wo hono me wose etimi ye wo man mu na se yebu ye ni egusu keka e ya de amamuo na ya bomodin ade agina ho pintin no oye kabi na menka bi amamuo no ye betimi abra na semse ne be ya oye o man ne so ne betimi aha ye papa esansa wo hwa ye Blekuma North e ya abato mpesu ne so basabasa ye koso wo hono ma ehu hia pa sa aban ne ebetimi aye bibia fa na emom yebu ye ni gusu sana na chesa kuntebuo entimi ankoso ewo man mu no chema eye amanyofo ne so omu hu ne se oman no enye omonkwa omodi niema bi owo so omoye ne wo so omu hu ne se asumdue betimi aba oman ni mu emom ngina manyosem so enye ne omu pebia sanso no chema tete sem ekoso edefa eye Chief Justice twa omotwe ne san ye no o chema obo omokokoye person so bia hu hia satantini ne betimi akoso na se ekoba sa se obi anfo obi an obi aye ne opede a ode ha kese pa ana bebra eye oman Ghana ntimpanifo momode ana omonhwe se niema bi omobeye no eye kabi na menka bi amamu no enya de betimi asen no
yanto akase ebo no so na Ghana fo bekai a Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama emna wo bontoa ena doto Ghana fo nyina nim se yakopɔ ya atom na se odi mu konim na opa asoafo ena afi nso na adwuma yefo a ena adwuma ye ni bia anya hwekura mpo no bosumi nsin be abegina asimpie ni apaso ebonkonta a kyerɛ Ghana fo nyina se dibere de hye mense no ena ebosumi nsia ni dwumadi amaye no ehu sunsuansuo ni se wokɔ wanim anase omode bonkɔ nka na Ghana fo nyina hu bra wo bɔ e waso ho no mo no nene ena osoafo no ohwe oman Ghana yensase yakwaye ena mu adokodokode ena mu asasetam ne ne ma ye japade asuom eye me wafa se ono ye mase bedwa de ma de hye a wonom ewo elempele abato mpesu aso ama kofibu a ekwohuriye ejina apaso na one Ghana fo edi nkomo ena wo kire mi se galamsey kotikwan ye faso otufu magudie etieti omen ne ha oman ye pa ne senti omuguso mo bo adwumaden ye pam na o kire mu a nipa mako apemba ko ahamiensa ene aduananum 1345 eye nipa ahodo nam kotikwan so etufu magudie a emra so mu pan che o mache omgwa kwagina mla no efitri pepon bosome ebepem aye ho mbobosome nim na wuku adem na wakasa na wo kire mi sem Ghana mampeni ahye osoafo bia sei omane ho made se omanya hunu kuntabuo se de yekɔ e waso ye no ni sente no na se o Ghana fo nyira hunu sei nipa do sei na so hwe o Ghana kwae ne nsase so no etimi ache wonom efa galamsey ya wonom etu no ho na ne kasa na wo kire mi sei mekase na muguso om na kwagina mra na mra ene ombedi atu asefri sei se betena se na ya sei yakwaye yenso ne yatena ye de nya de bebo akra Emmanuel amakofibo ekire mi sei ohwe ane mu sei abanlo ye pene ono ye osofo ohwe atende so beboa na se ni powder ma modern ase Ghana kwae ne asase no emla no modie odi nsem sei eto nsentwerefo anim.
In collaboration with other agencies including the Ghana Police Service, the Ghana Armed Forces, and the National Security Secretariat, and I must say that I've had a full cooperation of our various sector ministries, and I want to take for their cooperation, including the Attorney General. 425 excavators and other machinery have been seized. We have also made 1,345 arrests nationwide since we started, and prosecutions are steadily progressing. I believe that the Attorney General will speak to these prosecutions and give us an update when he takes his turn. I'll specifically give you some numbers and to show you the specifics. And this is related to just the Forestry Commission and the forest reserves. 177 excavators have been seized under the Forestry Commission. 4 bulldozers, 12 vehicles, 43 motorcycles, and 155 pumping machines, 184 shamfans, 15 detector machines, and 10 heavy-duty generators have all been seized and 286 persons have also been arrested. These are under the Forestry Commission, and they make up for the total numbers I gave earlier. To coordinate the efforts of the military, police, and other security agencies, and to bring proper sanity and coordination, the ministry, working closely with the Ministry of Interior, Defense, and the Attorney General, have established, and the National Security Secretary have established the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat, we call it NAMOS, as the operational nerve center for Ghana's fight against illegal small-scale mining and its associated environmental degradation, particularly in water bodies and forest reserves.
Enuachi Edominyam for Emmanuel, Ama Kofi Bua, Kasemo, and the Wachire me say. Make I say no, as I show my Ghana, Yakwaye, and Sase, and Efinso, Efuma good year so, any abine edinkitahon, Abua Nefinso. Eya soya ehwe Minerals Commission so eboa se be betumi aboa no man hyehepa se be ya obi a wo manyi mo no efuma gudie etuo no obeya so mfa so na Ghana so nam sa kwanya no so enye sika e de abo oman eho bra. The
government of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama recognizes that for Ghana to fully harness the benefit of its mineral wealth, the law must be strengthened to ensure equity, sustainability, and shared prosperity for all stakeholders, especially our communities which bear the direct brunt of mining activities. That is why we are undertaking a comprehensive legislative and policy review at the Minerals Commission. The Minerals and Mining Act at 703/2024 as amended are under a review with extensive stakeholder engagement and at about 85% completion stage.
Nekwa kramo no Edominyam for Emmanuel Ama Kofi Bua echiremu am. Make I say na so ye no eguso ene GRA. Aso ye hwe eto agye so my Ghana ana afin so Ghana Port Authority paid for ebo adwumaden aboa. Wonom de dwumade be aba e ba beboa pa ne machines ahodo a mumunotum ne masase we so e de se o my Ghana kwaya ne nsase no. Ubenya akwanya de ba o man mu pe se mmade ahunu se wo no dwumade ba bedie no ensa asase. Anase akwaye ana yensuo. Ente sade a emfa e wo man ono so akire mu sei.
In collaboration with other agencies including the Ghana Police Service, the Ghana Armed Forces, and the National Security Secretariat, and I must say that I've had a full cooperation of our various sector ministries, and I want to take for their cooperation, including the Attorney General. 425 excavators and other machinery have been seized. We have also made 1,345 arrests nationwide since we started, and prosecutions are steadily progressing. I believe that the Attorney General will speak to these prosecutions and give us an update when he takes his turn. I'll specifically give you some numbers and to show you the specifics. And this is related to just the Forestry Commission and the forest reserves. 177 excavators have been seized under the Forestry Commission, 4 bulldozers, 12 vehicles, 43 motorcycles, and 155 pumping machines, 184 shamfans, 15 detector machines, and 10 heavy-duty generators.
Any awoti ye ayo soafo no ena hwe o man Ghana ensase akwaye ene emu efuma gudie so nukura dan so na kopie mu ewo elembele abato mpesua so a oye wonom mrahye betwane ne den ede onimnyamfo Emmanuel Ama Kofi Bua.
Yanto akase bone so na mrahye bedwani ede mama Dina eye lawyer Francis Xavier Sosu ebuejimede bia no a ohese obe eye mo from wo basic schools no mo ye die ho ebetimi akonkan ye pa na wahase echeche ye sanitary pad ede amawom sane ebe ya eye maru aketo no mo basic school ni so se kobaso mo buo mo nsa ahunidie ho se betimi akoye bebre na se biska enifienti ni se kobaso mo buo mo nsa na age so mo koye tetedie ni bi yes, I had ye papa. And no ma a year who need who cement me because no ma pomu de who some so ain't me ko ye. A body so who some matches I was so mutimit nephews and Sabia no muko school ma. Na a year buamu and a timiako say or mohanunam soon see. And I watch a chair sanitary pad no a day amawam not in some say editor.
Last week, say, when you in this and say about Madina, yes, you'll be already 13 years, and on the Emblema back 18 other, and as a Siania, why pregnant. because abofra ne nam the area how can nam for the na omo road or area how no it's na me the hoji e ma se sia na abofra dey achi nipa be se be sa who are dealing with the kids and abofra no we dey not about na be nchen just to protect abofra no gradually no nyame adoma me yenya shelter bia e be fi da abofra na akosha ye be hwa no medically educational bibia na owo kwa wia e be ti abofra na ama adoption say dey be ya abofra no be ti akọ back to school now wafa the two and the American assembly is that with your social enquiry report and social welfare for are developing on 30-year-old girl here you see on from 18 and that one and we do poverty any lack of parental care any the condition social condition of our family now you see one now stress and Emma Ibiani and Sana with now it means any that and so they are sanitary park and it's same really say to us say young girls are very vulnerable it's in your mind you met media ama vulnerabilities you be feel vulnerable and we here see and not that his excellency John Dramani Mahama Kase or this free sanitary pad program ever gender minister the minister for gender children and social protection is what year what they are seeing and answer what push say make sure say in all community in all basic schools the media sanitary pad bank a prophet biara to say a weapon is and answer all your menses on to because all this environmental sanitary pad now on that school or back now was school and now was the teachers one on Beboa American sanitary pad to me they go and it's a Madina constantly in all the 15 letter areas and the schools will be able to meet your sanitary pad bank.
Enwachi anora so suadi tuja no chemu say eyade awakoya adoye ewo yarefa community clinic ode niema ohia so betimi ama yarehwe etimi akoye nso ede akoma wom no chema fasode awodi okoye ye ne ho ne say ye mahama cares ye dwumadie no enu nti anobo omodin ekoye ye sanse yade omobo omodin ahwe say eye eba ayaresane ayarehwa bibia betimi akoso ye ewo ye hospitals ahodro ewo eye Madina ne important mu sanso no di tudwa no chemu say eba ne mantam mu de anya ade obehwe seniema hu behia wom ewa omayare sabia no ohwe omobo so obeboa wom eye clinics ewo Madina ne important mu ni na no niema omuhia na yade obeye ede ama we sanso pesa hunidie hu nsem entimi nkoye sene ebeye meburu so mo important honum so no omatimi hu ani so ade hu eye omampani John Dramani Mahama owo edema wom
sacrificing na brabo nyina na sisi wakona humijie anasa owo pension the pension pay entimi ntua some type of chronic illness eto de bia wo monya ebi a stroke ebi timinya liver conditions ebi timinya even some type of diabetes I said they have to manage for several years na essence omo ni sikenti no at the end of the day
DLFM 106.9
na his excellency John Dramani Mahama on pese beba ni senti no na odi Mahama care we edi aba ye mpenifo nyina on be kosa problems ni mo no on betimi enya shelter under the Mahama care lawyer odi aba no na senti no motivated by that same passion no na me so and then me kwa process hospitals ahodo e wo Madina wo mu ni the various equipment and say akadia o be here edi aboa ma healthcare ayeye e wo community mi no ye beboa na edi bia ma wo hwe ha no ma oya 5 center we new facility dem be bre no mo ni ye call around crowd no say offices ni be crowd are not completely set enti ene ne die ye ba ye no oxygen cylinders any delivery bed wheelchair and other medical deliverables and ye di ba ye ye hwe nim say ene ya ba be special ha no ye be kwa akoko ekonde ni apen yo ma omo hie nyina rooms are entirely ye will make sure we tell them omo labs na ye be se benya lab equipment e di ama wom it is our baby na wo hwe me a ye be sre we a business e wo yarefa anase Madina ha no ma mombo aye se na be ya we can lift up this Oyarefa Health Center.
Eni ya uti ye mrashebedwani ede Madina eye lawyer Francis Xavier Sosu na no achi no mo omunya ye dwumadie yi so mfaso ade tudwa na ochemu se eye ade omani aso ye papa na mo de aseda kase ede ma ye lawyer Francis Xavier Sosu sanso wabone homodin ye pa na sa dwumadie omunya ni bebre e wo mpatam ho no ma ye ade ebebo omu ye papa
say as young children struggle say better pass in your mind. I say John Dramani Mahama and I thank the excellency John Dramani Mahama for your advancements. He has really helped us because not every girl that has money to buy certificate because of that son will not come to school. thank you very much. He has done well.
DLFM 106.9.
Ene ya uti ye eye school for a omunya eye sanitary pad ni no muche musa ya de omani aso dwumadi a eye Francis Xavier Sosu eye ede ema wom na manibo ye nsem chironi Elvis Kuma Samson ana de besom yen
yanto akase yebode so na yakopɔ ya atoma ekina eye wada ebe kita wonsa bosome ne da etoso edunu nan na osoafo no na ohwe omagana yesika semso Dr. Kessel Atoba Forsen obaga kopiem no the media budget de akọ masebadwam na omatena se bubu ho Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama efitire mra o maye de to edi se abanwa kese so onye Ghana mampeni no dwumade o madie e wo man sikasem ho no okwakobu nkonta ma Ghana fo nyina hu se oba ye o niam abo akofom bibi akokama fa ngo bo no akofom anase ne akosoro na adwade ekwasɛn ne nyina da ɛho kuntebo betotwa wɔyankopɔ yɛ adoma masebadwam ɛkyina dam adwumade wo na masebadwafo no ɛhwɛ ahunu sɛ ɔma no batena banwa asuo no anya hwɛ kura busumi nsia ntemu ne de sunsuanso na Ghana mampeni ɛne NDC amanyokoi baaye no ɔman anya wo mo so yɛkɔ yanim anasa yɛkɔ yakyi ɛho kuntebo no ɛkyina betotwam ɛwɔ masebadwam ano yɛbɛka ne sɛ mid-year budget review na ni nyina ne se o manga na mamrama ho kwani sente eye Public Financial Management Act 2016 and afin so Act 921 elder na dipefe say ehu behia say osoafo no na ohwe o manga na yesika sense kokko pie mu mase betwam bosumi nsia biada akwakobu o man ho nkonta efe yesika sem akwamabɔ ho sika nsam so ye koye nim de na ye kɔ no Ghana emre kakra twam no sign sika sem ekɔye eno ache nso ababa hwe akwanya we so atimi aboa hyehyɛpa bɛn na bɛn ɛwɔde ma ɔman yakɔyɛ ne mu no de na ma na ɔde bɛka ho obeyi bia firim anaase yakɔyɛ chi ana yɛba yanim ne nyina da ɛho kunte wobɛkɔ so o mase betwam na ɛno na de yɛ kasa bɔmaden ɛte yɛ ho de gu mɔntene so kɔbisa Ghana hyenkafoɔ sɛ ahyenkafoɔ yi yɛgyina mugina yɛsimusi ɛkyena ɛyɛ budget na mo hwɛ ne mu sɛ de baade ɛna ɔmampanin anaase ɔsɔfo hwɛ sikasɛm so ɛmfa mra mɛto manim ana wo mkyerem sɛ bo mi nana ade abaako a ekuya wo mam ni sɛ sa di levy fango sa sika na abande atoso no wo mpɛ wo mu kyerem a niema boa ya den aban ba wo mu sɛ mu kyerem sɛ Ghana cedi enya hode na nso Ghana ni onya so mfa so ye hu ne hweo ukojam kɔtɔ ne bo no sa na ɛte kyɛ difference bi ya ma mu kram wo mu kyerem sɛ aban ba ya pɛ ɛna ɔhyɛ wo no kote sɛ Ghana cedi no enya hode nti sɛ ba ya anka we de aban na obi ante tenema so nanso ukojam kɔtɔ ade a sa na ɛte bo na ente yenti aban onya ho bibi ebisu ka se kyerem sɛ sankafo ne papa aho kyerɛ aba no sa ban tetete niama so na afin so fango no bo no ankɔfom na ebie wo nso ɛyɛfo 11 wanyi a wahwe bedu babi na sankafo wo behunu amande wo mayemu dodo
covitas na ɛwɔ da ho wɔ hɔ no aban ne yi firi so anka ɛbɛboa yɛ aban ne ma yɛti petro so yɛti fɛ so bɛste na yɛkɔtɔ ka ho niama Stelenti suye aban no se yenti ye fesu se na oman no niam be betiti niam so ste na okoto kenki ase na tini sa na tie ni abebre na esu san kan beti no ste na yenti suye they say they said the one see that be to ye petrol no so susu se aban no betimi ahwe na obeyi sanema na ebeboa yin
me the taxes no de ewo ho ne de me support in a sense say on say first na dum so ni ade ohu ba me no say taxes na obaje no say benya light so ohu me ma point ma kofi na mo light am de be madwuma bibia me okay so ohu ba other ones no to say bia yen fam driver for no ohu ebi wa ekutwa road ready insurance and insurance ya tum and am 1800 900 abribia bibi ba driver for yen ye bre yen de kan first so ohu o hwe petrol akofom but bibia ba and make say e kan first no in the sense of ultimate based on only fuel and kase yenti prices so yesu ada niam bebre eka ho
levy na order to petrol no so no in fact MYN drivers kora nti me bomba isanka sa budget na eba no obetuma ye free ho at least oye no per gallon kora mpo anka beboa na liter de na se bia me bodwa makoye me yi kakra ne menya kakra me koto petrol 10 cedis na say 20 Ghana wa bet liters bebre free na hina me so menya de abaye adwuma ntanka no betuma free wa mame ana se beba per gallon kora na anka me ne beji
budget na aban no e de like eba no me Matthias de UPS drivers na ye wa hano me expect say aban no petrol na wote so mai almost afanya sa kwan bi so ese tumu mai no e mai bre because aban ne bai no be ka kire say watete petrol so mai e ma nyina ye ni gi ba be dum bre bi no sisi okwakoto petrol 1 liter I think say 13 cedis 99 pesos it is auto be say 200 scanner omuti free mu no enye fine ye yate ase ye gigi musi enti first ya te fair no so fair na ye te so no obi se obi a o se o matete first nti no e wo siti no won tete o lorry first so by enye fu wenkwa na ye di ejuma so wate ase because tie baku 2.5 ukoto tire you know wonam 5 million and enye tie nkwa na ye di ejuma ye to oil omo nti so ye sisi a wokwakwasisa ka we oil sisi a wonkita 300 cedis a utumi sisa nti ye sra aban no mu aye
yesra aban no eboa we aya hyenkafo mo man Ghanam na o ma kire o ma dwen e de afa nyame ya adom ekina oso afo hwe sika Samson konto okubu no mahye badwam no ehun sunsanso na hyenkafo yi a kire wonom adwene
Yanto akase bone so niembonra mu ewo bi man so a na rehusem esiwe ye anyiba eye Kwaji state ewo ye kitansa bosom ne de to so eye dunum ewo mfimpimienu ene aduonu nim a ye owura bi e friend Dr. Olabode Abimbola Ibikunle ono ochradie ewo Prince Abubakar eye Udu University nim abomodia etimi akohia ne kwanhia wuo ewo abro ye na adwenseja oni school ni ababa wa bi ekwa akoyi omusisi mu na yade a report ebeto odwane echiemu se eye Abimbola eyade oyo cheche ni onimade ye papa no bone homoden so pa ewade chirenim echiema yade one eye ababa wa bi efene Gloria eye Samuel onu no wadi mfinhia na aduonu mienu oye school ni obomode ade niko hotel sane ebe ya omba koto aye omanije ne so na ye nipa onu di adanse sanso ana ye adwumayefo mo hotel ho ni chirema ade eye ocheche ni bo omode afa eye energy drink ahodo sane ebe ya obetimi agina ne naso na ejen sebi ne be ma yetimi agina so sane ebe ya obetimi abo adwuma ni ye eni onum energy drink iwie ya ahem ne na we ejije ho na we ehye sane dada omo ye no endi endu baabi ana chese eye owura eye bo omodian etwahwe ede to ababa wayi so ne esa ehu nte ye school ni bo omodian tietie mu eye adwumayefo no mo hotel honom etimi eba bia ye wa na ansem no ese bo omodian de ne kwaya sabia na eben wom na so mukodu honom de na chese doctors fo chirema Abimbola iri watu anananom ewo ensiedo na fe na mpenifo ede eye official statement eba betu dwade afa ne enti a owo yetimi baye awaso me autopsy no mu ni say energy drink no anekum no anasa no ankasa no ade ane ho mfa na anasa dende nti anema owoi etimi ebaye na ye school fo ni na chema teacher ni woni made ye pa na sane o kira de kra na ye omofe no nti ni wu a wa wi de ye ade ye omo ye papa
nti teacher ni no afọ no ankasa bofra o kire na de 22 years ene na compem hotel ene wa bo adwuma saa ena watoba hana wenya light off oba no so nyesa
one energy drink
enti na disunya na onum ade no wasan ya ade wo mpam nti omukoye demonstration kakra
so kwa kire no kwan amfa so ye no
wa hye border on
won say aya na kwadwo
mi bisa wo se o entire wa hye border
me hye border ba ya de omoye eni tutu ne mema no emema ne ko ba bibi say meye wo se meye
obi a hye border
bebre
onsa nka
wan
onsa kan bi ne bia ma na asa ekire kwa
ebi ba ye bia mba aya nanka bo hye no won ka ye omunye ni ska wo honom na nanka ma sen ni
sao ti mema ne ta hyebo
omotai pa
wasem we enya ha ne yebeka no Ghana nya kenka madwen kire bi ne yenkoye ne we every style boy ene wa kire mi so we live we di free half mbem airport ya da se senior we si free crement o se na o se yankopon nye Ghana na de yakwasu de ehu pam o de free sapema na o sim se kase bi mo de sa no manam yenkoye nim na akuamoa na akuamoa boaten so we live e di free ablekuma central me da se pa de aka ne de yemfansi ne yenkoye nim sanso ana we every piaga no se o de free achema safo kase bi mo de sa no manam de aka no senior do the board the party headquarters wate me wafase me waso nya den sa o dola ya jewa no dola ya ajewa je no se o cheche ni atuma ko fa school ni akobu atopa am wawu no so ana me wafase di o ka asma mfra no ntoma odi free Christian Village Achimwata medase Mohammed Prince ena wase wa manyadu Nhyiraba ohwe live edi free gomwa kokofu ena wase news ne de in fact emu da ho na dem live ewo gomwa kokofu na wase ode ncha kese de ma Richard Jan Mensa member of parliament de ma eye gomwa West abato mpesua so ono kwan nso no ye deputy minister de ma eye energy and green transition medase me wofa ase Richard Manu no achim say good evening Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ni Adwoa Agyei Sikapa kaze bo ne mu ode sei medase me wofa ase Sounds na comfort Martin say good evening wafa any Adwoa Agyei Sikapa say hey cream say be ye na bedwo comfort say na hey enjoyment pa ni enjoyment na de hia why be da on Ghana ni yaba won che so fa na me so fa sama na aka ni so aba bone tew na unua mohura me yenko anim eni nyina ne say asa hwe o manga na ekwan so kose dwumade asu da betu dwa akire mu a bosumi nsia ntem nie nkwanhye asi eye mpem son aha mienu ne aduawatwe nkron 7289 enimpa ewuo no eye apem ahanum ene 9 1504 ni nimpa o mawuo nkwanhye we mu awa afi nko a da kru bia nimpa nwotwe wu Ghana ni wuti sensem se na ekoso a aya den ene ba trim 0534050199 0593406565 lolly nkwanhia etol Ghana fo ase ma adwomedofo
Sammy B
Abbas 49 nana yenko
minia me ba jo sa information we na omo dia abre na omo se yenya nne eya omo fe sebi se nipa apem ani akire ewu ana ede ba de eno mo ye ede afa ho omo fa siseye we ko omo de ba to we na ko omo de siseye omo de besi anu aka ho chazamba no ma ka nipa dodo omo wu na omo de ade fan ana za de nipa ni wa de no omo nya free so omo mo ye ho ban
medase 49
mo ye ho ban
ya me nhyira opi wadwenche ne mu ode ma adwomedofo Oh, Dexon Bada ko droba achim edu kilometer nkanche. Bibia wako de.
Oh, kisa do meni ahwe yin si.
Ya de ya me asisi na me ntu animre.
Nini ya akasa ko sisi ano ya adin papa. Eti se. Afi bia wode ba. Afi bia wode ba. Enti eto da wo afi ye nwozo obi ta ko sisi nti ye den. Ayampa ingize wo wunti nti den. Because one, at the end of the year, you found. Like I say, I would send the Jambo and Punta up. I want to get past the new. You know what was there. I said, into one phone call. Mr. Medase, Pa Dexon Bada, come out, you medofo. You know, praising.
Hallelujah, Brasset, Nessa, come on.
Thank you.
Champion, me into enemy.
Praising. I know you.
Pa
accident, I feel you, baby. Penny for 1 year then.
Said there be a message. A lolling question, they come in passing HIV AC no.
Oh,
that could be a 8 if him.
I'm ready. But a man boy owned by Bennett me at Obama.
And yes, yes, we are no Mancasa or Tramo.
Nippon found ya, Rapon found it for mine.
Yo, also, Nia Mentra Brasset, my Jomedofo.
My head.
Senior, we didn't be a free.
Me say is Kofisa because school fast food.
Senior Udin.
Patrick.
Bra part me ntu anumre.
Asumwe de domo kanyina me no mo ya je pa. Ko sa fibia asumwe yese. Isi enti se mo aso anu de biarada. Ntu de ade owu ni ba de omuka, se mo aso anu de omuka. Ntu mo hwe no mo ye bibi mfa ho.
Yo.
Nya tada you be demonstration at you.
Me kura me
na parliament o.
Me ana media ni mu.
That's all.
Ya me nhyira opi. Majo me dofo.
Oh, Majo, me na bema.
Me pacho udin no be akasa free.
Pacho e frame. Me sese.
Me sese.
Kaswa e fa be abekum.
All right, me nti we mama.
Pacho ne omo kan die. Me de me hu sukra. Brand of first me ne ya. Enti tese omo be ka se Nipa 8 newu fans anasa eden.
Nipa na woni 1508.
Muti every day be nipa 8.
8 there be 8 we yeah sure.
It's every say ben pay tinewu no eno na e ma adwuma no koso ana sesese omo pa solutions mra
better
say kwan be fa so a nimpa no ebewu na ebeti so no mu nya so mu janjira kwa ho jejeje 22 na no de am akra
mate
ehunya
mate medase pa onkomo ne mu hwampan ya minhyira opi me wo fa ase me fa me last call na ma so se fi se mebre no enya di manim kan 0534050199 and afi 0593406565 ma dwo me dofo
so patrasente
mama manjo mama me yenti anumre
accident asema na mani pa bo for me ne o ama ya dane kwasi ampa for ma do kroma na mesre se omunye bibi fanfa ho e so omunye bibi fanfa ho dia ya kwan baby fan ye baby me ko to jogu form e se na me nam we owo nti madani kwasi ampeni o ma to kroma
kafra
me ku form
kafra
yo
meso medase pa mama se wo kasa edifri omanjo ya minhyira opi kase bono yedi esi nansa na mesore sore me wafa si wani abiri bowura mu saa ma jo me dofo
Sabibi
sa kwere 30 seconds tema committee 11 tew na yenko
Sabibi ye pa driver for chel ye pa police for chel se omummo ye ho ban na akwansia eba da kunipa nwotwe de na wo kanu echi HIV nti omummo ye ho ban senia 499 na kanu
yo
nti mechia 499 na
obeti sak medasi pi sa kwade tema committee 11 na ansa e be sore kasebo no so no wei eya woda ede akwama me madamfo ba ko a ono no oye midwife na de den ede Lady K na Lady K eye nurse ni a oye midwife in fact ahofe nya minhyira opi no onye okese pam na wadamfo a na oye adwuma ewo Kingdom 107.7 ewo kram premantem ne den ede DJ Sorty ene o se ne eyo awodenti ahofe yankopon hyira pa no okese pam ene eyo awode no twedi ampon yankopon o ma de pa biara wasase wesuo no ebi emra wonsra bam so once again happy birthday goes to you Lady K we ye midwife ya minhyira pa no onye okese we every DJ Sorty former DJ ewo Kingdom 107.7 no se yamfa oda kesi we yamfa mo kase ebo no ye de asi emusemufo no ye maze meberantwi ene se mudi ma yen DJ omana de ekopie mu ewo YouTube and afinso Facebook kase ebo no wonya bi ehwe ye DJ Zigibi echinchim efide fruma edesum ye numrei akenkanfo aye hwene tia sentem ye sinkonya besum anumre no edi amagye so aye wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hoteden ene ehunsuo mpeni menkra mode ahya daka mu aye Adwoa Agyei Sikapa mene
Adwoa Agyei
na hoteden ene
dum so levi
ye ko ma Apakan atenase na obey endrada black queens ekoje ha obi manso mekandada nanso comfort mati mu antie me endra mudi nkuguo ye so ma Apakan de mu nsem de asome mo nyina moniti a adehye
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9. DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Sara Yankupo Peno. The Yankupo actually say Beho, and the Beho. And Yeda Yankupo as and some mistakes in our players' side now. Omutume Ecolazio. Inshallah, Bruni say Mintu Masi. Obefena was yes, no mabi.
What the direction of Kifis here?
Direction, man, Yen Edico. Edico, we never cover Obiaba, never high diamond. Now, Mitianica. Some of you are journalists, some of you don't. I think you are doing like you don't go to school. Direction, man. I'm taking Confessor to a good direction. We thank God. We hasn't lose in our home today. 4 matches, 1 point. Alhamdulillah. You are taking yourself for bad direction, action, bad caution.
DL Power Sports.
Ukudagba wotro melagwadra no vinyo fogwatofio gamado meno in sports ye metwogbono yimenko enyu DL Power Sports update medekukuno la yo madana grana made na mesia mekropomotofio radio no chodare DL 106 pwena sports air dimila ye meno metwogbono tamedekukuno radio angba delegia nana no gia anyami ganyobi tuobole bono koye Facebook YouTube bakene menga boy fiano yo beshe watashie kun wake sports ni ba egbaji DL Power Sports update mekwabo fai ni ochemoku ni moku akemoku ni mofia wake radio for DL 106.9. Good evening to our cherished listeners and viewers watching us live across all our social media platforms. Wednesday evening we are back on your radio. We are bringing you Wednesday edition of DL Power Sports Update. So please don't hesitate to call a friend to tell a friend that DL Power Sports Update Wednesday evening edition is airborne live now. Ebusia mami nyina we so na baby bia won na nwumre mema wadwon emo wakwa ba mepiem ewon krampumpuni mantem ene Ghana jatum kasafidie kase ba kopeso DL ohani nsia echiripo enkron ukuada enwumre mrewedo se agudi mbranti yesi enkonya na fiti anopa besi awiani enwumre agudi mu nsama wodwa etwago ama yakwakotase ede akomasemofo wajebre watenase wawu sokrojen asone so ntebeni nyina waye fimini akedi ose modu otiefu editie se wote ohwefo edi hwese ohwe na yen okafo nso no edi kase ye kan ye de besmo na eyagudi mu nsama edi ade ncheche di adanadane ebu mfumpa o Ghana bibrem ene broni cross ya trading DL Power Sports update ntia busia ene ukuada nwumre ya tenase agudi mu nsam ye de baba bibia obi atami kuchu ye de nsam no baba besmo ye tenase abribia oni se Lumba nsupada roma ene ye de nsam no bantia busia ene nwumre kayenwe ne yemfa seda kese emfa ma adwumaku aye from Lumba nsupa na Lumba nsupa ye nsu abadwaman so a emoti ode kama Food and Drugs Authority agia tumsendei oba Ghana na opensu de na kama padia enoa ene Lumba nsupa enti abusuan Lumba nsupa de ese onumbi ye wone bottle ne ye wone sachet ne opebia no obetumi agye no wabobo na bibia kama efiefie mu Lumba nsupa no ena monom enu achi nso no nkola ne kosku a bottle no momfa ma na omomfa nkosku bibia ebe kama edi amom enu achi nso no otuntunsu a Lumba nsupa no ena ton ena afi nso no mo amudi dwuma na otweedu ana wudi dwuma die bia fa Lumba nsupa no efa som wa wo wase na bibia ebe kama bibia fa nsu aye no mo de enuane Lumba nsupa ya to apetinkran ya bibia obia no obenya bi ato oba DLFM yakachi ewon kran Agbogwa Junction yane Wisconsin International University no ena edi mpunimpu bora yan reception o so share receptionist kachen so pe Lumba nsupato both bottle ene sachet obegade o na wenya bi ato baby bia wa na nwumre utie me no ope bi aton ope bi adi udwuma na numbers ni bombode ana order 0555 274757 0 no wa 5 miensadi atwaso 27 47 57 ana 0577 47 53 43 Lumba nsupada roma waswayen ediensi agongon ukuada enwumre DL Power Sports update yede eba besuma seda kese nkoma kwame afum ota echire yede nsam no eba DJ Omarion Facebook and YouTube odiyan atwo DLFM 106.9 ubenya nsam ni bi ahwebusia mi amede nsam no eba besuma odi ameje so no eye ayensu ano de hye Apakan the blazer ki yentie we yaba yebesi family yede nsam no ede asomo
Apakan GH wode nyansa de wadiawo wo interview wo kasai wa hobrase wo radio mu kire se wo yo pa be ne na wo radio mampa enti
Abusia yanka jangumane yanshen samana se emfama odia yansha se emfam fifie yewia na yedi broni kroso de no etumi ede atoaso ede amadia yansha se emfam fi Ghana mrantia o metumi enya move akopie mo ewo boboku ahodo ewo amanone ne yamfo mo nkomo entumi emfantu wanim na hu moves ahodo a summer transfer window Ghana mrantia de yansha se emfam fi omaya ye friend Belgium na urem ewo Belgium a boboku a ye friend RC Anderlecht omakache ena yedi yani kire no ma be piem ewo Ghana omoba Ghana no omode omani kire mo ewo boboku a ye friend Young Apostles akache na omo piem ewo Young Apostles akache no ena Ghanaian air player ye friend no Enquiries da Costa me no kase de boboku a ye friend no Anderlecht 18 years boy we o metumi afa no so mra no mebo 1 season loan emfamom na se obolo ni wie na ne monimo esenia na permanent deal no o metumi edi amano na obesha se abo edi fi Anderlecht o mu junior team no obo na se along the season no ne monimo esenia na ne senior side no o metumi edi naba enti Enquiries da Costa Ghanaian central defender ordinary achemo ewo Anderlecht okobodi amamo on loan from boboku a ye fer Young Apostles a ye de sansam no etumi edi asomo opiem ewo Barcelona akachia omo junior team na ye fer Barcelona Athletic no last season and on befa Ghanaian winger Adwoa Agyei Sikapa edin fi boboku e friend dream sesi na ye 1 season loan and okobo edimamo na okobo loan wie no Oma trade masama no 1 season se onsanto so emolo ni biem enti official Adwoa Agyei Sikapa me no ka say there obo another 1 season on loan ede ama Barcelona B from boboku a ye fani dream sesia ye de sansam no ede atu anim former Kumasi Asante Kotoko goalkeeper ye friend Frederick Asare ene official urem our South Africa boboku a ye fani Durban City no okobo ede amom na Blantia ye friend Frederick Asare no was signing 2 years contract and Ediama Durban City. Now about 2 years in a opportunity. So obetumi assigning another 2 years to me at the account. And you Frederick Asare no come on and you to me abo at the actual no. Now you figana mranti making move. Eko amanonedia yamfe yeninchemo Morocco and a Women's African Cup of Nations eguso ekoso nandra semi-final 2 game no so the Black Queens of Ghana and a host nation are from Morocco and the bueni na 120 minutes of football 90 plus extra 30 ni nyina ba na wie no na 1-1 yede atopreko penalties ni share so no and our my friend Morocco share 9 ma Ghana share mienu ntime no ka say Morocco a qualify kopie mo final Ghana yakoba 3rd and 4th place yede won some ademam na Ghana 3rd and 4th place no yebebo no nyame adoma fiada edi yedim 7 pm Ghana and South Africa and ebebo na memory dance no ebo the same time 8 pm yes 8 pm same time na dano yebo semi-final and brana 8 pm memory da and final no beba so Morocco and in Nigeria and beba sa game na yede won some edi atuenim na Ministry of Sports and Recreation edi nkrata ababonten on behalf of Sports and Recreation Minister Honorable Idi Kofi Adams abo maiwana baso say semi-final mukopie maya dia papa ya boma baso ye mati o manenim mama bamu monto aso adachi bi enyamba befa enti Ministry of Sports and Recreation Honorable Idi Kofi Adams edano omagina sports minister nanem ene Ghana ban anemo eden krata ababonten abo maiwano abaso enu echi no ena Ghana Football Association president your friend Kurt Iyosokeko and so one social media page Facebook no or the betu dwa echirema or say oye proud and modemo maiwana danedino nenia so ye pa oye very very proud na ye to aso say ya na ye build upon performance yada na dina ojidie se enche bia no Women's Afcon no Ghana yebetumi awini bi we ne nsama Kurt Okreko Ghana Football Association president or the atudwa na endra amra game no eba na wie no na coach Kim Las Bioka Green coach Edema Black Queens ekasa or say oye proud of Nemaiwa no monema omodane di no oye proud of them na or say girls no omo work so hard na already no susu say na ye better editing Morocco for na enka win no ye deserve na mom ni nyina mu no win na ntumi amakra still na no or ye proud e wo money ma e mai wane da na di Kim last Bioke Green.
Again, so proud over the girls. They work so hard. I mean, we were talking about our fatigue level before the game because we had 1 day less for recovery than Morocco. We also had 1 day of traveling. So, at the end of the day, it was really tough to start with. But I mean, and then we play another 120 minutes a day, and they do it so well. And I think we're the better team in this game, and I think we deserve the win. You can see it when it comes to expected goals that we have a 2.21 against a team that is under 1 goal, and that's normally a win. But we were a little bit unlucky today. But again, I can't be more proud than over the girls how hard they work today.
Kim last Bioke Green Adwoa Samson odi tuja say tournament we embla Black Queens ye komo na dodo na no ensusu say baby ayedu ye betume duo enti na dodo na woni say Ghana ye underdogs ye ka favorite na ye nkan bi na ye money mo ayada na di ya surprise ni pa dodo na no e money mo ayetumi ada na di na ose na nke ye pese ye du final na ye du final na nka gold no yetumi awini na eka kitwa bi enka yetumi eduo na nka final ni ye wremo na ye ntuma wremo no odi ni nyina esisie ni obeka se Ghana e disappointed self final ye ntumi anko ne yamfa kuru ano amba Ghana.
Here now we have been talking about to be a little bit of the underdog in this tournament to surprise all of the other teams, and I think we did. But our goal had always been in this group to win the gold, and can't be closer to go to the final. So here now I think we need to be disappointed. We need to cry a little bit and maybe take 1 day and just rest and let us be disappointed. And then of course we need up on the horse again and go for the last game in the tournament. But here now I think we need to be a little bit sad and disappointed. And we have so many people that I know that follow us in Ghana.
Kim last Bioke Green coach the my Black Queens no waten nkano Jennifer Kwadwo midfielder at my Black Queens of Ghana or see we the ya adan maiwa no give omo ye ne omba ye bia senk ye betumi akopie mu final na so amane sa no ya ye pa na mom ni nyina mu no oye proud e money mo maiwa na da na di no omaya de pa oman give up omo konkoden e prove kire obia se ombetumi aye bibi na mom no wina na ma e no man kopie mu final ya de na mom no oye proud of maiwa no e money mo obia da na di.
This one actually hurts, you know what I mean? I feel like we give everything. We wanted to win. We did everything that we were asked for, and it's just hurt because I feel like we deserve to be in the final, you know. But also, I'm just proud of the team because we didn't give up. We proved to everyone that we can do something, and so hopefully our last game, like the next game, we can get a medal. We still have hope that there's another game that we can win. So. But in general, I'm just proud of the team, like how we went through from beginning to the end. You know, we should have made our chances, but it's just hurt. Yeah, I'm sad, but yeah.
Jennifer Kwadwo Tuane Samson Evisan say money more madana di. And then I move to me ayedia kanwa the next level no move to me Adwoa and I see on bet to me do the next level na. Agyei Black Queens for no or more games together. Send a squad and a bonding understanding. Party cohesion ebe yedwuma development and so ebe to associate na omo close to each other players and so no ombe pushi omo normal work harder omo yes ombe better na the next level no omo etumi Adwoa. Jennifer Kwadwo.
I think the more we play games, the more we develop, the more close we get. I think that's how it's going to get us the next level, and players also pushing each other and working hard to be better. I think that's what it's going to get us. You can see like game after game we keep stepping up. So I believe that the next few years is really huge for the young players that are coming, and hopefully they can join us and then make the team stronger.
Jennifer Kujo, Black Queens of Ghana midfielder, and a word to me at Kano. Wafu Zombie Men's Under 20 Championship, Ekoso, Ghana Soccer Center of Excellence, Pram, Ekoso, na Black Satellite of Ghana, and yabo 3rd and 4th place game no against Oma Yefe Niger. Game no ba na na Ghana yachi Niger, abo mekami no mentumante, enti bronze medal no, Ghana yetumi Agyei ye de wonsam, de asumo nonson aboyi, final no University of Ghana Stadium. Koso ewo ho eno ye Nigeria ene Cote d'Ivoire ene ebo final no wa ye de wonsam de asomo Ghana men's under 19 team no me no kase o ma touchdown ewo Switzerland omo kobo friendly games against Switzerland and Switzerland omo team ye from FC Basel omo junior teams no na July 23rd yes July 23rd ombebo a game Ombebo game against Bobo FN FC Basel Omo under 21 na July 25th no Oma bo area against FC Basel Omo under 19 team no na games ni nyina 2 p.m. na ebeba so na we no GFA Omo collaboration bia Omo ne FC Basel akono na ama under 19 men's team no akopie mo e Switzerland Omo kobo sa games no na a 24 member delegation and a copy more Switzerland 18 players and 6 officials and they make it trip now yere I want some de atu anima enye asam ketwa e odwumedie so na opiem e Kumasi Asante Kotoko akachi a omapiem e South Africa na Toyota Cup memeneda omokobo nyame ncha de Kumasi Asante Kotoko akodu South Africa asumdwema mene okase omo Durban eye kura e South Africa ho ena Toyota Cup no be kotoko e wo ho a omo dwudwu omo prepare na memeneda omo ne Kaizer Chief de eye Toyota Cup no etumi de abani a yere wonsam de ma be na otwemienu atwam abrantie ba kwa waji ne din wo Ghana former Kumasi Asante Kotoko midfielder your friend Justice Blay ekwa granty interview after say Kotoko ene no e party waste chirema ene no Kwame Poku ejini sugar mommy ena abrantie your friend no Tenedu any players ni bi Kamara eje ne girlfriend ya de wonsam koye buburuja ema Kotokofo ni bu afuye pass omo former player na okika nsem we the good team no mfia na na Sir Joe Entwibu asiakon ena Justice Blay ni manager o se Justice Blay no de yaw ena kasasa enti Kumasi Asante Kotokofo ni nyina obesre mu nyina momfa nche akuma toyem emra na momfa nche abrantie no ye Kotoko ni pao onfa Kotoko ndi agro support team no na ebufuo na ba no ye santi no momfa nche
so no what we say we are independent no say adinu ho na ba na shark mana we nya abotra na akwakofa ba na ya dia na asa ata aye na ye ache eno na ma no kofa ba nti mesre say de esi ye no obi afa nche na enka bom we Kotoko supporter we Kotoko ni ye Kotoko fo na mo na de ngoyi na mesese empelifon so ai Kotoko ku no no so no omo tso ni ma yi na mo ma entu yi
Sir Joe Entwibu asiako eto ne Samson odi tudwa se Kotoko team no ehia a very disciplined team manager adan current team manager no wo ohini brenya no oye too soft as a on pen wansem inti ni nyina kan obi na nyama bi nkoye wo Kotoko akache inti no going forward no ono de obeka se Kotoko ehia a disciplined team manager.
I think we need a very disciplined team manager. Ohini Brenya is too soft. Also, Ohini Brenya is trying to be very gentle. On person very often will be. That is what the last time I noticed that in his voice. Or you'll be on pen wasem on person the baby basa on person very often in but we say or the kind of a person if you feel no, I'm not surprised because if only say Ohini Brenya you busia then we shall follow through maybe at the end.
Sir Joe Entwibu asiako eto ne Samson odi tudwa chirema Justice Blay enya office makomako 9 mienu fi team se wo Africa heya ena mienu so ye outside Africa na Ghana ha paade Justice Blay aboko to area team bambiem Ghana ha paade Justice Blay mama team biabiem
ebiye mienu wo outside Africa na ba ko mienu no we okay if I say for mienu wo Africa we know outside Africa, but Ghana there, Blake will not play. No. Blake will not continue to. And what was I look at the we also go Ghanaian team? No, Blake will not join any local Ghanaian club.
Oh, okay, I see.
I know the I can say for that for sure. We will not let you play for any local Ghanaian club again.
Sir Joe Entry Siakon, a manager at my Justice Blay, and I was telling Kana. Heart of Folk Eguso and a former Dreams FC goalkeeper Solomon Agbesi. Now has any Solomon Agbesi Edin Commande or a free agent agreement no mu wie omo edidi din komo na has ewo gidie say definitely no Solomon Agbesi on be signing na yere wonsam the our former Ashgold Tamale City Accra Lions and Vision FC center back Ali Muhammad wabe rem ewo Enquires no Kumase wabedu Accra na we rem has akache akoye ni medicals na otwi nko na wie de obe signing 2 years contract ede amaboboku a ye fen hasofo ke yede wonsam ede asomo Adriana Football Club omo unveil officially omo say a former Babiani Gold Stars midfielder Charles Kamara Jemfi omo signing 2 years and Adriana signing former Babiani Gold Stars midfielder Charles Jemfi Kamara yede wonsam ede amawanwachino right back from Vision FC. Your friend is Steven Kwache on also 3 years and aboboku a your friend Adriana Football Club to me assigning yede and want some Eddie amount Adriana omo yes signings brutal and yasam ketwa kra inti signings no and Adriana ya yede want some Eddie amount yamfa feeling na yamfa kakrebi and twaso ewa mano ne mfama ne yen sorry so dia yensha yamfa fi boboku a your friend Liverpool akachi sesia. Officially, Liverpool are unveiling French striker. Your friend Hugo Ekitike from Entrant Frankfurt. Na Liverpool for na Apawa Brantia no ntoma say omu new signing Abrantia. Your friend Hugo Ekitike. Into Hugo Ekitike me no ka say officially or ye Liverpool for omu player ye de awonsam edemao 93 million euros. Now kika bibia edisi ani a ebe kwa ma kwa kodu 95 million euros and money where Liverpool for to 80 million euros e ama Frankfurt sikana to my account mu dada 10 million euros easy add-ons and 5 million euros difficult ones and okika ni nyina boma 95 million euros and Liverpool for their signing French striker Hugo Ekitike from Entrant Frankfurt 6 years contract until June 2031 yede awonsam ede amount Liverpool for ewie Hugo Ekitike no Chelsea for nso ani abre pe players Xavi Simons Dutch attacker obo edema RB Leipzig Germany na Chelsea for ni abrante edidi nkomo akato na bro na personal agreement omareche na otwibia ene afibia sika Chelsea edebema abrante any number of years of contract obe sign akakakra na Chelsea for ni na wie Arsenal ne Bayern Munich rem so omo pa Abrante na so Abrante no aka kire omo Arsenal ne Bayern Munich se Chelsea no peso okobo ntini aka idie Abrante a ye frɛ no Xavi Simons ni team RB Leipzig na Chelsea ene omo bedi nkomo na omo reach agreement on a fee na Abrante a friend Xavi Simons abebo e ama Chelsea ni ane amete ne se deal no enye difficult sa esan se Xavi Simons aka kire Leipzig so beko Leipzig for no so ayo ma dwe se omo nsi ni kwan na mo ne Chelsea ewo midfielder bi ya friend Kani Chukwu Emeka Leipzig for ne pen enti omo di nkomo no na omo di nkomo e de afasa Abrante no enti metuma aka kire se ni akika kwe de Xavi Simons ebeba boboku a ye fene Chelsea apiemu ewa yes akache e won so omo kopeden omo kopɛ center back oye Holland ni ye fene Jorel Hato na Chelsea for ene Abrante na di nkomo bon wajiatum se ono Jorel Hato a oye center back defender obebo ede awam ni aka ne se Chelsea ene Ayas ebe rechi fee on agreement na Joel Hato abebo no ball ede amaboboku a ye fene Chelsea wo wa ye de wonsam ede amao English forward Marcus Rashford enwumere ya Barcelona apa ne won to ba say 1 season omafano from Man U obebo loan ede amam jersey number 14 and Marcus Rashford ekwohye ewo Barcelona akache say loan obebo na oya ade dia 30 million euros Barcelona betu ya dia Man U na permanently no next season oma sign Marcus Rashford na nisika ne boss market tuane afini nyina ne obaji nyina no boboku a ye friend Barcelona ena ebetuanti Marcus Rashford Barcelona omo player officially ye de ewonsam de ma na Spanish striker ye friend Paul Victor na oye striker on the ball edema Barcelona and they ofi Barcelona ako SC Braga Portugal na sika PM no 12 million euros plus 3 million euros add-ons and a Braga etia ede ama Barcelona didn't come say omo the buyback clause ebetumi asha brand any contract ma ye de ewonsam de ma Kylian Mbappe Lotin French forward. Yes, French forward on the ball. Edma Real Madrid. Unim say Luka Modric eko Jesse number 10 Edampine. Make me confirm the amount say next season Kylian Mbappe ebe Jesse number 10 Real Madrid akache. Enti Lamine Yamal she 10 Barcelona and Kylian Mbappe ebe 10 ede ama Real Madrid. Gonzalo Garcia Real Madrid abranti academy no FIFA Club World Cup no Gini din pa Real Madrid say ombe manatna omo mane in Colombia next season in the obebobo ede ama Real Madrid on Colombia. Niamidi tu mesrebo no Atletico Madrid omerem Feyenoord akache Holland na Slovakia for central defender your friend David Hanko Atletico Madrid and Feyenoord Archie agreement sika APM ne 30 million euros David Hanko Feyenoord abebo ede ama Atletico Madrid on permanent dealer yede awonsam ede atuanim yam fancy na me chairman atnase na Omario Mesro just in a minute for picture na me de ma to so na menye birthday wish way for mamia minua na mia minua no me ne ko school ba ko Cove City yes electrical engineer no na fantastic guy no enti o say menye awoda way emfama no na ye fro a free year yes ukopiem Koforidia St. Joseph Hospital Koforidia oye nurse na from Kisi Prince yes me no from Kisi Prince to you a free year oye nurse Koforidia St. Joseph Hospital or say enaya wawoda anti a free year Kisi Prince say or show happy special birthday nyamin shira onya wakoma so ade ma na bibia wo hwehwe bia no twedi ampo nyankopon emfansomonti once again from Kisi Prince to you a free year our nurse St. Joseph Hospital Kofodia or see or show happy special birthday have a fantastic one now I would ani bibia enkoyem fama a free year abusia ye de si aseda kese enkoma kwame funwata ekire ye de ensam no ebae DJ Omarion medase or the enko Facebook any YouTube ema wunya bi ehwe ma bibia eye kama wofa Sammy Tuga yenchiao Madina Masalachi Opportunity Bank anymore yenchiao wofa yeda se de bia wutie na sister abna so wo no ma yenchiano ena Ishmael see you the man Ishwan Kutoni Ishwan Kitchen also yenchiao wo Madina Masalachi Opportunity Bank anymore wutie also yenchiao na me bra penny Mr. Kofi ayenu kopiem ewa yensu ano so watia webiem utie mamincha one wife sister me ebusia me amede ensam no ebae no edin ameje so no eye ayensu ano de hye Apakan GH the Blazer King na zigi bibia kama ho tino meko na zigi ede awoso no ababeto aso ede amam na enwuma zigi ahihya na wode ba no enya nwum ketwa na zigi abebo monwum na bibia enso aye kama Albert Lamte Bruce and Stephen Kumi